Hi, Marion Brand from Brand Fitness. I have a quick little workout for you using the kettlebell. If you have a kettlebell at home, great. If you're brand new to it, maybe a 15-pound kettlebell would be good. I'm going to use a 25-pound kettlebell today. We're going to do 3 exercises. Okay, let's warm up. So you're just gonna start moving, a little bit of warming up before we start. The first exercise will be a kettlebell swing. So you wanna make sure you're fully warmed up. You might need to do a little bit extra warm up. So we're just gonna lift and then out, reaching. So you wanna warm up 5 to 10 minutes before you start any exercise program or doing any weights, anything like that. I'm gonna go into a squat here. So just a few more, and keep going. Do a little bit of hamstring curls here. And then, so let's get started. So you'll probably want to warm up a little bit more than this. So I'm gonna set the clock for 40 seconds, 10 seconds rest. I'm gonna start with a kettlebell swing. I'm gonna go to a bent over row on the left side, then the right side, and then a squat with an overhead. So we're gonna go around 2 times for all the exercises, so let's start. So we're gonna start in 3, 2, so starting with the kettlebell swing. So we're gonna hinge at the hip and lift. I'm breathing. So from the side view, it looks like this. So you're up tall, you're hinging at the hip, letting the kettlebell come through and then out. So you're not lifting, I'm just using momentum. So I'm using my glutes and hamstrings. So it's actually the glutes, the hamstrings. You do not want to lean forward because you'll hurt your lower back. So there's 12 seconds left. Breathing, and breathe. Almost there in 3, 2, 1. So we've got 10 seconds rest. The next exercise will be a bent over row. So I'm gonna hinge at the hip, shoulders are back, chest is out, grab your kettlebell, and I'm just gonna row. I'm gonna lift and squeeze, so shoulder blade. And breathing, and then breathe. So the clock is set for 40 seconds. How are you feeling? Keep going. So you want to make sure you protect your lower back when you're bent over like this. If your back is hurting, you can also hold on to something. You can even come to something that's sturdy and just hang on. So you've got 8 seconds left. Breathing. 3, 2, 1. We're going to change sides. So switching other side. So belly button in, you're going to hinge at the hip, come forward, shoulder is back, and let's go again. So lifting and lift. So you want to squeeze that shoulder blade. I just rest my hand here. You're using the upper back muscles. So not just pulling with the arm, you want to actually retract the shoulder blade and squeeze. And breathe. And still going. We've got 15 seconds left. And go. Breathe. Almost there. And in 3, 2, 1. And last exercise, the kettlebell. Use the kettlebell as a weight. We're gonna hold it upside down. So I can feel this in my core right now. I'm gonna do a squat, and then I'm gonna do overhead press. So coming down, and then press. So you want to keep your shoulders down, the neck down. You don't want to be up here, and keep going. So if you need a lighter weight, go for it. A little bit stronger, you can have a heavier kettlebell. About 15 seconds. Breathing. Still going. 3 seconds. So my heart rate's going up. Okay, so we're gonna start from the top. 10 seconds rest. We'll do it one more time, and then we're done this little section here. So kettlebell swing, picking it up, and then you're gonna swing, hinge at the hip. And I'm squeezing my glutes, breathing, and breathe. Still going. So side view again, I'll show you. Up tall, so hinge at the hip and lift. So I'm coming up to straight. I'm squeezing my glutes at the top. 12 seconds. And it's just momentum lifting up. I'm not lifting with my shoulders. So in 3, 2, 1. Nice, bent over row. So coming back to that. And we're gonna hold in 2, 1. Let's do it. So squeeze shoulder blade. And breathe. So you can do this 2, 3 times around if you want. And just a nice little quick set for you. Breathing. And still going. Oh, I'm starting to feel it. We've got 15 seconds left. I'm squeezing my shoulder blade. My core is engaged. My bum is out, so not gonna hurt my lower back. And in 3, 2, 1. Okay, other side. So hinging at the hip again. Shoulders are back, chest is out. And get ready in 2, 1, and let's go. Lift and breathing. Breathe. You really want to feel the scapula, the shoulder blades. Keep it going. And breathing. How are you feeling? Keep working with me, you can do it. And breathe. Still going. Almost there. And we've got 5 seconds left. Starting to feel this now. That 40 seconds, good time. Last exercise, so the squat with the overhead press. Make sure that it's close by when you pick it up. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go down and lift. If you have a shoulder injury, skip the shoulders. Just coming down. If your knees are hurting, skip the squat and just do overhead. Make sure you're still breathing. And remember, your squats, you are sitting back. Bum goes back. The weight actually helps to counterbalance. And lift. And lift it up. Still going. 10 seconds. Breathe. And 3, 2, 1. And you are done this set. So probably do a little bit of a stretch right after. And thank you so much. You guys did awesome.